I just finished reorganizing my craft room, and so I want to show you the newest thing that I got, which was this bookshelf because I wanted to have a place where I could put the majority of my Bath and Body products, things that I use to make Bath and Body products. So, like for instance, here's where my fragrance oils are. Down in here, I have other oils and essential oils, which I have to organize that still. I have like these are my beakers that I keep in the box, and then other things to use. And then I have other things down here. And then over here, I have like my butters and beeswax, and then I have other herbal type of things down there. Sorry, you're seeing the floor. Over here is my working station where I work with my computer, and I'm a therapist, so I sometimes will see my clients virtually in here. So this is like the perfect space, and with the door I can close it off. Um, then I have my sewing machines and the cutting station. Over here we have an embroidery machine and just a whole bunch of other things that's related to sewing and embroidery. And my ring light, but I haven't got that set to where how I record. And then someone recently gave me this cutter. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it because they didn't give it to me with the plugs. So if I can find the plugs, fine. But if not, I don't think I'll keep it. They gave me a bunch of vinyl that goes with it. I'll show you that over here. So this vinyl that goes with it. So if I don't keep the cutter, I'll definitely keep the vinyl. So over here we have my microwave for when I do melt and pour, or if I just need to heat something really quick. And sometimes if I happen to be working hard and I eat, I can heat my food up. Over here we have my Cricut stuff, heat press, cup, mug press, and Cricut Explore. Some paintings that I've done, my fabric, some of the fabric rather. Then over here is where I have my TV because I do like to watch TV or videos or listen to music through my TV while I'm crafting. Down here we have more soap making supplies. So we have like super powders, emulsifying waxes, and things like that. Oops. In here we have our soap molds, all different kinds. And then over here I have my melt and pour soap wax molds, not molds, bases. And this is all like for embroidery stuff. And then in this one we have more fabric and some more of my paintings, my sergers. And then back here we have my Cricut stuff, my Cricut vinyl, and iron on, and my mats, so that's easy to grab over here. I also have a closet in here, and that closet has it's a mess, so I'm not going to open it, but that has patterns and some leathers and faux leather. Underneath each table, there is storage, and there's containers under there that has fabric or my packaging materials for when I'm doing soaping things. And so this is where the magic happens. I'll give you one last look. I try to keep this organized because at times I'm teaching someone how to sew, or just I won't be able to work if it's not organized. I have some more of my paintings on the wall. I did this little area here where I can put my scissors and things and hang those up. And I have to put up my pegboards because I do have those that I got from IKEA. So anyway, that is my craft space. Hope you liked the tour. But for now, I'm going to go.